Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Yeah, I have it going till at 10:30, 10:45. After that, it stops monitoring for a trade. So we'll watch it.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're just in time.
Yeah, in time for what?
Oh, we have coupons for burgers, free burgers. We're giving away to the first 100 customers. You're number 100.
Camera off. Which one of y'all came over to my house and messed up my camera?
Oh, yeah, I had some of that happening today also. I don't remember what it was. I think it's Gilad.
I think it is too.
I think he comes down the chimney, adjusts the settings. How'd you do overnight? What was your final number? Mine's 849.
$1 million.
Fuck off. Really?
Then I woke up.
And it was 2? It was 2 million?
800? Skeletor, good morning.
I think we should get shirts.
July, good morning. Who else we got in there? Mikey, good morning. Miss K's there somewhere. Miss K, good morning.
Yeah, you can always count on Miss K. I was saying we should get shirts with the names of the people in the chat. And sub of the week, we wear their name on our chest. We proudly wear their name.
Good afternoon.
You always know when it's a bad idea when Omnius ignores me completely.
I was thinking, are we going to do analysis before the open? But
I did it.
this guy.
We're completely analyzed.
Are we?
Yeah, but go ahead, do yours because we're different. We think differently. We see the markets differently. And I have no idea.
The one
why
thing
we're
I will
short.
point out, if you go zoom out, maybe not the weekly, but we could do the daily. You will see from this drop here, we did pull back to the 50%.
Mm-hmm.
So had this huge drop. The long stepped in, pushed it up. So is this just a bull trap or what? So you want to keep an eye on it. Nice dump candle.
Mm-hmm.
Order submitted, order canceled. That was fast.
Are we open? Oh my God. Well, it's okay. I said I wasn't going to really trade the open. Taking it easy. I'm going more for a simpler approach. It's just like when I say I'm dieting.
Hey, you know how we did that trading competition before? Can we do a trading
Yep.
competition on who can make the most with the shortest amount of trade? Like shortest trade time? Man.
We could.
I think I could win that. How was the weekend?
It was very good. I didn't have to talk to you too much, so it was fantastic.
I know you tried to. I just wouldn't respond.
2-minute opening range. Guys. Aha. It was on the wrong chart. I was saying I have no idea why my system is taking trades. I wasn't up to. I got to sign new agreements again.
I showed up so early, and I had some things to do. Next thing I know, I look at my clock, and it's like 9:20. Like, damn, I don't even have my stuff up or nothing. There's like a gap there between like 8 o'clock or 8:15 and 9:15.
Yeah.
Or just like what happened? Like it was there, then it wasn't.
Mm. I got a new.
Well, don't tell everybody. This is the family stream.
Waiting for you to say something. I got a new routine, and I love it. I get up early.
Oh, yeah?
I put up the stream.
Hmm.
And I watch the stream, and I answer the, what do you call it, the chats while I'm exercising. And you know what? The time passed fast. It was fantastic. I was happy.
Yeah, my routine's about like that, too. I mean, it's kind of the opposite, kind of inverse, but yeah.
So I was happy with it. Very good. I said, way to go.
What kind of exercise you do?
Oh, always the same thing. Elliptical. I love it.
50 push-ups?
Nah. Remember I punished myself once for 100 push-ups?
Yeah, I don't think you did them.
No, I didn't. I got to like 80, 90. I couldn't continue, and I gave myself 24 hours. Okay, ADX should be short. Let's see if we get to take it. There we go. Wow, look at that. So the long took profit, and then like 2 seconds later, the ADX, the other system, went short. Let's see how that one does. That's impressive. That was like a flipperoonie. So I started at 800, and it's already at 1300. But you know what? I think I like the OmniBot better.
122 point drop. Bought it right back up.
Am I going to have to pay you royalties because I'm using your name in the name of the bot?
I don't know why you put my name in the bot. Now everybody thinks it's my bot.
Because I got the inspiration from you. It's not your bot. You're not Omni Man. You're Omni Us. You're Omni Us. You know, us. This is Omni Man.
Guys, he's trying to make his bot better by making people think it's mine.
Trying to give it some credibility.
Look, I don't know how they do it. I've been watching these songs, these AI songs.
Yeah.
Well, I watch them. They're on YouTube. But they use other people's names. Like, how do they get away with that? So, like one I see a lot is Imagine Dragons. You know them?
I heard, yeah.
Well, so they'll say it's Imagine Dragons such and such song official video. Like everything's official. But then it's not even them. It's some guy that made an AI song and an AI video, put it on YouTube claiming it's them.
Yeah, well, you know, there's people that use stealth
No, these people have
accounts and
50,
rotate
80,
accounts.
100,000 followers.
No way, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know how they get away with it.
I'm sure there's method to the madness.
I flashed a half a second picture of a football game and got in trouble. You flashed a second picture of a concert. But
just a picture.
Yeah. But these people can steal a whole band name and claim their songs.
Yeah.
And then they tell people, well, go to Spotify and listen to the songs. So then they're sending people to Spotify. They're making money on Spotify. They're making money on Apple Music. They're making money off YouTube. All with AI songs claiming they're somebody else's.
Somebody that I used to know.
I mean, there's a get rich scheme for you guys. Lewis, good morning.
You motherfucker.
Hey.
You screwed me. I got screwed again. Second time. I just had to fill in new Top Step agreements.
Again?
So I said to myself, data agreements. I said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to download them. I want to read them. But I entered in my address first. After I entered in my address, it
Did you just have a brain fart and forget what you were saying?
I wasn't talking. You were talking. No,
Guys.
After I entered in my address, it deleted all the files. I clicked submit information, personal info. It deleted all the data agreements. I never clicked on them, nothing. It just presumed I clicked on them. It's crazy.
No red
Mikey,
folder
no
today.
red folder news.
Mikey, thanks for asking or telling, so we'll check on it.
Thanks for keeping us up to date.
Right?
Oh, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. Did I tell you? Serious, no joke. I won't be here for the opening.
They're still working on that ED problem.
Well, they're still gonna have a box of gloves on the counter when I show you're reporting on your daily lack of news. Oh my God, did I just miss a flash trade higher?
Yeah, I took it.
Wire?
Told you to take it.
I took the one before.
I was just kidding. I didn't tell you. Literally, it's like a half a second trade.
Like, I think I'm gonna just trade one lots. See how it goes. Can I make $100 just trading one lots?
Be a bit difficult. Be easier just to trade a 2 lot or a 3 lot.
On 5 separate accounts, all in one day. That's my challenge. So I kind of have to make $500 to $600 on a one lot. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what I can do.
On this account, these 2 trades here made $60. The other account made $120.
However, I always have to clarify. Remember, I add to my trades, when it goes against me a little bit, like around the 50% mark. So when I say 1 lot, I could be in for a 2 lot. And if I enter on that 2 lot and then it goes 1 to 1, that 2 lot makes 3 to 1. So if I'm targeting $30, I could make 120 just on 1 trade on a 1 lot because I add. So it makes a huge difference. Of course, if I lose, I'll lose like $45 instead of the 30 that I'm risking.
Here's what you do.
30 on,
you copy trade to another account, and on one account you do a 1 lot, and on the other account you do a 2 lot or a 3 lot or a 5 lot.
Nah, I'm really done with copy trading unless it's on Top Step X. It's the only I'm only copy result copying or trade result copying. No more trade copying. It's trade result copying or nothing for me. They just screw around with you too much, and it just throws me off. I can't deal with it anymore.
I think you put too much thought into it.
No, I don't put too much thought in it. I just can't deal with the speed of the trades that I take. I can't deal with the mismatch, with the going out of sync.
Well, they're going to be out of sync if they're real contracts because they're getting filled at different spots. You're getting different amount of slippage on the entry and the exit.
That's why I like trade result copying. I don't have to think about it at all. It just lets you take the trade, waits for it to close. Whatever you made, it applies it to the other accounts. That I like. That's golden. That's like an advantage. That's like a casino where a roulette wheel's paying you just a little bit more on every spin.
I mean, that's great. And if you can get that, it's awesome. But to hold everything else to that standard, I think it's unrealistic.
Yeah, well, Top Step X does it. Project X did it. Unfortunately, we don't have access to that anymore. I'm in at 23, targeting 30. I got it. Okay. Switch accounts. Got my first account up to 100. Wow. Talk about being comfortable in your trades. Only trading a 1 lot. It's like you're not even trading. It's like you're just watching the market.
No, I get in trouble with 1 lots.
How?
Because it's like you're not even trading. It's like you're not even in the markets.
The chart lag indicator. Any possibility Omnius can ever tell us where to find it? I need to look for it, but he's never letting us know where it is. He's always keeping it secret. No matter how much I bother him, I even sent him a registered letter. I know he got it because he signed for it, but he still didn't reply. I gave him 5 days deadline, and those days have passed. Omnius, anything about the chart lag indicator? I'm going to press him for you, Mikey. Omnius, chart lag indicator now.
Obviously, you didn't read the comment because obviously he already has the indicator.
Oh, did he really? I know, I didn't read it. I was just making shit up.
I mean, you could have at least it's 3.5 lines. You could have at least read it first and then made shit up.
And then made you sound like the devil, huh?
Mikey, do you not have the code? Can you not go to Ninja Script Editor and access that code? You should be able to.
No. 37. What are we targeting?
Michael, good morning.
37. Michael? You got a Michael?
Got all kinds of Mike stuff, man.
Yeah, that's the world's most popular name. Did you know? 37, 1, 2, 3, targeting 44.
Not showing up in the editor. That's weird.
There's your 44. Guys, I just want to let you know it's not showing up in the editor.
I mean, try to figure it out. If you don't figure it out,
Call Omnius.
Certainly try to get you the code.
Call Omnius at 555-438-1212. Mikey just wrote he's not showering until he gets it to go into his editor for some reason.
I just got out of the shower. That's why I was late.
Yeah, no, Mikey's not showering until he can get it into his editor.
Was the #1 name for males in 1964.
I was born in 1965. Look at that.
Y'all notice how like every decade had like a certain name or a certain group of names?
Yeah, this decade it's Ronish.
I don't know what it is this decade, but
Ronish. Everyone's naming their kids Ronish.
That's why I gave my kids unique names. So that way when we're in a crowd and I call them, they can't say, I thought you was talking to somebody else.
Nickelodeon. Whoa.
In the 80s was all the J names.
Was it really? Like jalapeno.
That's where they get John Doe from. You can walk in a room and yell John and like 10 people turn around. Hey, John.
Like Jam Master J.
Yeah. Yeah, Mikey, that should be in your ninja script. Don't know. My first attempt at trying to export those codes, put them up for people to get. So,
Whoa.
don't really know how it all works out.
Did I get out at just the right time?
We're going to work it out together, man. We're going to figure it out. Mikey, did you get the other indicators? I put up the news indicator. Used to work a lot better, but I don't know. Check it out. Maybe it'll work better for you. I don't think I have it on my chart anymore. One of those things I never put back on my chart after I got NinjaTrader working again. Gotta do it. Also, Mikey, I did that custom EMA band indicator. Now, if you want a certain period EMA or SMA band, you can just grab that indicator and it makes it all real easy to use.
Damn it, Janet.
Except for the section in between the bands, I never could get the color properly. What can you do? Turn it on or turn it off? Tried to pick the color that was the least bothersome. But Claude just could not figure out how to set the occupancy.
Is that really your phone number? 555-438-1212?
I think so. I think it's 8679 305. The younger guys, y'all don't know, but all the older guys are singing right now.
Yeah.
The only number out there you can start saying, and all the older people start singing.
Sparky, enough. It's not a cookie
252.
jam.
Oh, I thought that was a phone number at first. Turns out we are actually trading.
Somewhere.
All right, we're looking for 25-223.
Yeah, 25-213. What are we looking for?
25-22350.
Why are we looking for that?
That's what Lewis said. Previous day's high.
Previous day high. How come I don't have those on my charts anymore?
Yeah, I thought you used to. We're getting we are getting the open range retest. The open range guys.
I gotta find the 1 minute chart. I'm not on the 1 minute chart enough.
Thought I had an indicator for previous days high and low. Like, what?
Oh, I do. Wow, check this one out. Go, baby, go, 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 go.
I was on a different chart. I do have an indicator for it. I got 25, 221.50. What do you put? 223.50?
Oh, I forgot. Shit. We were supposed to watch the 15-minute opening range.
We're on it.
The indicator I put up.
There now.
Yeah, no, I know. But the indicator I coded. I wanted to watch it.
Oh, no, it kind of already happened back here, too, so I don't know.
No, but mine's a retest. It checks for the retest. There you go. We just did the retest. There's your arrow.
I think you're off there, buddy.
No.
You're closing inside, so you're not doing it right at the open range.
I'm doing it my way. Remember, we're different traders.
You got to explain it to people.
I will, in a video.
This guy.
What do you need? First, you need a full candle outside the opening range. Then you need a candle to come and touch inside the opening range. That's the candle that touched inside the opening range. I am not giving signals to enter a trade. You have to figure that out. I'm just marking when we got outside the range fully and then touched it or came back inside. That's what I'm marking off. Not giving entry signals. If I would give an entry signal, it would be to buy the high of the previous candle right there, which we just crossed with a stop at the low. I might even take it just for the fun of it.
But the only issue I see,
there we go.
If you break out of the open range and you come back in, wouldn't that be a failed breakout?
No, because it's like a retest trade, really. And how many times we see it go out, come back in a little bit, and then go back. I don't see it as a failed breakout, but you can take it on the touch. Doesn't, like I said, I'm not claiming any entry over here. I'm just identifying when we got outside, and then we retested it. That's as far as I go.
Oh yeah, there's so many ways to do the open range.
Yeah, you can't do it on the first candle that just pokes out and comes back in. What's going to be your criteria? A tick above, and then a tick below, and you're going to say that's a retest? Like, you need some kind of filter to say, hey, now we've gotten above, and now let's look for a retest. You can say maybe, okay, if it extends by 10 points, then I'm looking for the retest. Like, you're not going to take a retest trade if it just ticks the opening range by a quarter point, right? You're not as soon as we go a quarter point above, you're not putting your bid at the high of the opening range for a retest?
No, generally, if I'm going to take the trade, I'm looking for
a little bit of a move.
7, 8, 10, 15 points, depending on how the market's looking.
That's it. But I've always said I require a candle to be fully outside.
Plus, I really like it if there's a support or resistance there. Like here, we did have support. It just failed. We had the support, had the open range, pullback. But I will say that when we got this pullback, it was kind of strong. So I was looking for it kind of react at the open range high and just kind of pushed through it and then came up and dropped. I was looking to take it. I didn't take it because of the way it dropped down below it. So, many different ways to do the open range.
Yep.
As most of us know, I do mine on a 2-minute chart, but not on the open range.
Yeah, a lot of people even do it on the
set my own ranges.
5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. I'm a fan of the 1-minute chart.
Now we're getting a push up.
Boom, boom, Who was that? Boom, boom.
Another chart, man. There you go. Where do we go? Buyers in charge.
Oh, that was me.
I don't like that we're at the VWAP for the open.
Looks like it wants to make a push higher, but it could be fooling us. We keep shooting higher after we shoot lower. But we keep shooting lower after we're shooting higher also.
Mm-hmm. Kind of a battle back and forth. I think
Yeah.
higher, though. I still think bulls are in charge.
Mm-hmm. Me too. I think they're just kind of fooling us.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to take it higher. How do I know? Because I have a limit sell at 25,167
Problem is can they do it within my stop loss?
with a 9 lot at 25,124. It's going to be a big trade. And you're fooling yourself if you don't believe it.
What's that?
It's a lyrics from a song from Styx. You're fooling yourself if you don't believe it. You know that song?
Nope.
Really? You know the band Styx?
Only got that one girl in it.
No, it's a guy band. It's old. Old.
Yeah, just get out. Okay.
It's a good song.
The Sticks. Nikki Sticks, right?
No, Nikki Sticks. If there's a Nikki Sticks, she's probably from Heart. If there was a Nikki Sticks, I think there was a Nikki Sticks.
From
But I think that was from Heart.
what was the other
Styx
band?
was Gowan now sings for Styx, but no, Styx was a guy band from the 70s, I guess.
Maybe they just look like girls.
Yeah. You made their day. You guys look like girls. Don't a lot of rock stars look like girls with their long hair? Holy shit, did I watch a 1972? Who was it? Wow, were these guys twirling and whirling their hair? Metallica, I think, from 1972 or 1992. A concert in Russia. They said there was 1.4 million people there. I'm pretty sure it was Metallica.
Mm-hmm. Metallica.
The guy's head was gonna fly off.
Metallica and Pantera. That's the concert you got in trouble for
Yeah.
having on the screen.
Somehow I was watching the Metallica concert on the weekend. It was good. I had it up while I was working. I had to watch the opening a few times to see that guy spinning his head.
I didn't know it before, but I seen a thing on it over the weekend. It was saying that I guess that was like the first concert allowed in Russia under that regime, and I guess it was a free concert they put on.
Okay, maybe that's why there was 1 million people there.
Yeah, 1.5 million.
That's funny to be part of that.
Oh man, that would have been a blast. Tried to look up that lady's name, but it kept bringing up Nikki Six. I think that's like a drummer. How many Nikkis?
Well, there is a Nikki in Heart. I just don't know her last name. 30, targeting 37.
Just kind of got in this area and started chopping, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
It's not cool.
No, it's not.
Still think they go up. I mean, hourly still looks bullish. Everything still looks bullish. Just a matter of finding an entry within a decent stop loss.
Yeah, but we got a lot of wicks on those candles right there at that level.
Yeah. They don't have to go up.
No, this large position might cause me a little bit of stress, a little bit of problems. We will see. The good news is that the Omni line came up a little bit. So the Omni stops a little higher on the Omni chart.
Michael, while you're there, type in ! giveaway. Or was it?
Not yet.
Giveaway ? Or something. Get you in the giveaway game later.
Don't you feel important that I used your name? Aren't you all flattered?
I think you're kind of misleading people on which ones are mine, which ones are yours.
Okay, we'll change it. Wow. You think you'd be grateful? You'd think you'd be honored. I'm going to do it right now, Mr. Misleading. You're gone. No more Omni-Men. No more recognition for your skills and your knowledge. Yeah, and as soon as I change it, he's going to say I'm stealing. You stole my ideas and you didn't even tell anybody.
You're already telling people my name's Mike and your name's Omnius.
Oh, shit, I didn't change it. You're right. I was supposed to change it to Jared and something else today.
That would have been funny.
Giveaway. You're all in the giveaways, guys. But right now I have to do something critical. I have to change the name of the Omni-Man bot.
Oh, God.
Well, you told me I have to.
Oh, that's so critical.
You said I'm misleading. I don't want to mislead people. Okay, it is now the Miss K super trend. Fumala. How do you spell Fumala? Fumala. It's the Fumala super trend. What the fuck?
Why don't you just call it FF Super Trim?
No, Fumala super trend.
Fumala Super Trend.
Because FML, fuck my life. We were calling it Fumala. I'm going with Fumala. I like Fumala. It's the Fumala setup.
Mm-hmm.
Listen carefully.
What do we got, 10 o'clock?
Listen. Did you hear that?
No.
That was the compile button. You're officially removed from all recognition.
I thought you were farting in your hand and sniffing it. We all know that's what you were really talking about.
Okay, what do we got? Gilad. Gilad, you're in.
Well, you don't want to sniff it.
You have 2 balls already. Miss K, you have 2 balls. You were the first one to type it in last night. Mikey, I think Mikey, you got 2 balls. Yeah, Mikey, T2. Mikey. Skelly has 2 balls. If we're going to do 2 balls today, I'm not sure. I think we're out of room. Elad, do you have any new names there, Omnius?
Got Michael and Lewis, but
Michael and Lewis, you were on the mic already, right?
For who, Michael or Lewis?
Either.
I think Lewis was before.
Yeah. Well, I got the others. You know, Happy Kid, Nick Fro, KPNS, Tronus. We got all those, but Mars Pump.
You the ones I sent you?
Yeah, I have all those.
That was the overnight.
Yeah, there we go. We took off. Too bad I closed the trade. Too
Yeah.
bad I closed it. I should have counted 10. Okay, well, you let me know about Lewis. Take a look at what time he wrote it in and see if that's before the mic. I was on at 9:16. Did he type it in before 9:16?
It's a lot of work.
What's a lot of work? Just go back.
Lewis, 9:36. I guess not.
No, late.
Somebody was trying to get me to use their codes over the weekend.
Mm.
They were like, I use your code for all mine if you use my code for all yours. I was like, I would, but I co-stream with this guy named Futures Floor. I use his code.
You're so sweet. Okay, that was a nice little trade. Yay! Just because of that, I'm going to type in !O in my chat.
Where does that take people?
To you.
Oh. Oh.
Everybody out of my stream into Omnius' stream. Get out of here! Get out of here! Go to Omnius. All of you, get lost. Wait, but hit the like button on your way out. And always remember, I enter inside the code of the game. Who gets to win, eh?
Lewis said, just so everyone understands, if you win, Mike will need to verify your YouTube channel. Didn't understand why he was asking for that. Lewis, he was asking he was asking for that because what's to stop somebody else from going in there and saying, hey, I'm Lewis?
Yep.
That actually happens quite a bit. With not so far, not with us, but with other YouTubers. And just a quick way of saying, because on your YouTube, when you click that, that's only available on your YouTube. So to be able to just click that real quick and send a screenshot of your profile right there, that's saying, hey, this is Lewis. I'm talking to the right person. It's not somebody else just saying they're Lewis. Plus, a lot of people, their YouTube name and their Discord name's completely different. So you get somebody to saying, hey, I'm Lewis, but their name's Bob, and they're like, yeah, but I'm really Lewis, you know? And it's just
what's Lewis's name in the Discord?
I think it was Lewis.
No, I think it was Amazing.
Was it?
No, it was Lewis.
Yeah, it's just a quick way to be able to help identify someone and make sure going to the right person.
What an incredible, clear, and concise explanation. Were you a teacher?
God, no. You gotta do better than
that. God, no.
I don't blame the teachers, but I blame the curriculums.
I blame the principal.
And the principals, yeah. I don't know. We got a pretty good principal at our school, I guess. I get in trouble a lot, but I guess that's not her fault.
Coffee's good, but it needs some chocolate. How's my computer working? Anybody want to check? Where's my CPU at? Not bad. Where it should be, 58.
I told you they got one of those old, like, I don't know what they call it, like a cymbal bell. In the hallway as you walk. Like a dong or whatever. You know, you hit it, you tap it, it goes dong, like vibrates.
With the big pole and the little the little pillow at the top?
Yeah.
A dong.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I may have hit it a few times.
Who wouldn't? That thing must be rung like nuts every day. Who puts that in the front?
Everybody's scared to touch it.
No, come on. I can't go to a dry cleaner's without pressing the bell. I don't care if they're there. I look at them, I'm sorry, I have to press it.
Yeah, that's what I told him. Actually, I said, wasn't me. And the lady's like, I was standing there watching you. Like, yeah. So, okay, bye.
My wife's always shaking her head. Unbelievable. You're such a baby. Actually, then when I saw it in the store, I had to buy. I have 2 of them now in the house.
My kids are like, Dad, you're coming to the school today. Try not to get in trouble, okay? Like, do I have to?
There we go. Look how slow it moves.
I think we're to the point now that like something happens, they just come looking for me. Like, did you do it this time again? No, I was way over here, man. It wasn't me this time.
Are you happy with the location of your banner? Identifying your name.
What?
Omnius. I put it back up top.
What was wrong with down below?
Down below, it's me. You were Mike. Remember? Now we have the proper naming.
No, I mean the name underneath of us. Plus, it was covering that watermark.
Oh! Perfect. Didn't know. Didn't even see that. Sorry, Omnius.
Lewis, was you able to get that Billinox account all set up and stuff? Sometimes it can be a bit confusing on how they do it with the prop firms. Good news is there's a lot of videos to kind of show you how to do it.
Did you see the video I made?
Which one?
The one I didn't post?
I probably didn't see it if you didn't post it.
It's on my hard drive still.
Did you see the one I made?
I don't know. I don't check your channel and I don't get alerts. I turned off.
I was thinking it'd be weird if you seen it because I ain't even made it yet. Look, I made the list. What more you want?
I don't want my name there.
But yours to the side.
I am. It's my screen. I can do what I want. There we go. How's that for symmetry?
I like it. You like it. I like it.
There you go. Easy breezy. Everything is locked into place. What do we got? Why are we not short? What is going on?
How to be short? Everything's long.
Everything is turned off. Hold on. Hurry, Mike. Oh, that's why I changed the name. It's not Omni-Man anymore. It's not working. I have to get it back on. Strategies. What did we call it? Fumile. Where am I going to find Fumile now? Fumile. Trading enabled.
Lewis, dude, I was sick as a dog all weekend and today. I think I caught it from the gym. Yeah, I've been a bit under the weather myself.
Template. Save. Save as default.
I think I got it from kids that go to
Enabled.
school around all the other sick kids.
Why is Fumile super trend? Not short. Now I renamed it and it's not working. I'm going to kill you.
Yep, we're trying for that previous day's high.
You broke it. You knew if I changed the name, it would break the bot.
Look, mine says long. I told you to go long. I told you. Lewis told you.
It is long. And there's an error. I see the error. I think I saw it last time also. Let me go fix it. Let me go fix it. Not really trading today. That's okay.
I gotta work on some of my bots.
Look at this one going to target so fast. Wow, beautiful. Beauty, 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 beauty.
We're on the right chart.
It's really good. I have
chart
no
never
idea.
wants to be on the right chart.
I have no idea how you came up with such a smart strategy. But you do see the changes I made, right? I'm on 1,000 volume, Heikeneshi.
1,000?
And yeah, and my super trend numbers are different.
I use 1,000 sometimes.
Yeah. You know, you got to make it your own. Those are the numbers I'm comfortable with. There's no holy grail.
You want a little bit faster, you go to 1,000. You want faster than that, you go to, was it 5,500?
Yeah, well, when I feel like being active, I go to 10.
You want it slower, you go to, I think the standard's 2,000. I do 26 on MNQ, 2,000 on NQ or ES. You want it slower than that, and you can go to 4, 6, 8.
I'm hungry. Oh my God. We ate so much yesterday for the Super Bowl.
I remember that years ago, like everybody wanted the tick chart. It's about the same. You don't hear many people talk about the tick chart anymore. When I started, that was the whole rave, like the 2000 tick chart. You watched the Super Bowl? I took a poll. What did the poll say?
I did. We ate like animals. Now I can't cheat for a long time. We didn't even have pizza.
What'd you have?
We had wings and nachos. Still good.
Let's see. Poll was, did you watch Super Bowl halftime show? 25% yes, 50% no, 14% I'd rather watch paint dry, and 11% IT welcome the dairy. I thought dairy would get more than that. Some people.
So what did you watch yesterday? Was it really IT or was it ET? Were you making a typo or was it IT? What's
on the
IT?
vertical stream, did you watch the Super Bowl halftime show? Yes, 14, no, 66. Oh, man. Vertical people don't watch Super Bowl. I'd rather watch paint dry, 9, and it welcome the dairy, 11. That's what I was watching. Yeah, welcome the dairy. I told you that like 10 times.
No, you said it. It.
Yeah, that's it. Who the hell makes a typo 10 times?
You talking riddles.
I said, I'm watching it.
You just said welcome to dairy.
Yeah, it.
It has two names, welcome to dairy and it.
Well, everybody knows it. Welcome to Dairy's the show version.
Never heard it. Not me. Apparently everyone doesn't know.
Lewis wants to know, is the Super Bowl popular in Canada?
Very popular. Honestly, I was telling my daughter that probably I would estimate 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 5 households had it turned on. Probably 3 out of 4 all across North America. What an amazing... Is there anything more popular on TV that you can think of besides Gilligan's Island?
I'd probably just rather watch paint dry.
No, seriously. Really? I saw you as a Super Bowl guy. I really saw you as a let's watch the Super Bowl and get some snacks kind of a guy.
I'll be honest with you. I didn't even know it was the Super Bowl until seen something on Facebook about the Super Bowl.
I'm not really a football fan or anything, but we watched the Super Bowl.
To me, it's kind of like NASCAR. Like when you go there and you watch it and you hear the crowd and the roar and everything, it's like, it's awesome. Then you go home and you watch it on TV and you're like, yeah, this is kind of boring.
Mm. Okay, so let's take a bird's eye view of the market and see what we got. Let's start with the daily. The bounce off the 200 is continuing.
Now, if you're going to like a Super Bowl party or something, you got everybody there hanging out, drinking snacks, having a good time. That's always fun.
Mm. What a spectacular sweep of the liquidity on the 15-minute chart at the 24,965 level. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That was pretty impressive.
Did y'all have like a Super Bowl party, or you just like you and the wife watched it?
You asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, just me, my wife, and my daughter. No kidding, eh?
Michael hadn't watched football since Warren Moon played. What account do I need to trade now? Got that one, got that one, got that one, got that one.
Didn't get an entry at all.
NFL has gone woke. Haven't watched it for 8 years. Yep.
Bing, bing. Somebody entered a trade.
Like every year they try to top last year with how much sick shit they can do.
One minute. 2 minute. 1,000. There we go. We're short.
Could you imagine sitting there with your kids watching the Super Bowl and it goes to halftime and some of that shit they're doing?
Mm.
I heard somebody else put on another halftime show.
Really?
It was Turning Point.
Oh, it wasn't Kid Rock?
Yeah, I think Kid Rock and Steven Tyler. I think Steven Tyler was there.
Yeah.
You watched the Turning Point USA?
No.
Lewis said he did.
Okay.
Was it good, Lewis? Seen something they said like how many people they had watching it at the beginning. It was like a lot of people. Brantley Gilbert also performed. Seemed like they were playing it a lot of places. I think the NFL was getting mad about it.
Gilbert sounds like oh wow, we went right to take profit so fast. Nice. We're smashing it, guys. We started it at 800. I think I started the evening pretty much flat because of the Super Bowl. Maybe I think it took one trade. By the time I came on, I think it was up 150 or 200. Started the overnight session, ended plus 800, and now it's knocked it out of the park during the day session. I'm up 2,500. Sorry, what an incorrect, misleading statement. I'm up. I'm not up 2,500. The bot is running on a SIM account. When I say like I meant my bot. See how it's my bot now? It's not yours anymore? Now that I renamed it Fumala. I don't want anyone to scream and say, hey, it's a sim. It is a sim. I never said it wasn't. I say it every day. The bot runs on sim. I use it as a guide. I take the trades manually. I'm on 1K for today in my combine. Way
Sweet.
to go, Gilad. My sim is up 674 with $200 a risk. I don't even know what my risk is. I think every trade is kind of different because I'm taking static size. I'm playing with my balls. My hands smell. How's that for a sentence? It doesn't sound good.
Mm-hmm.
The stone balls.
Yeah, we all know what you're talking about.
They have an odor. It's weird.
Are you sniffing your balls? Oh my god. I gotta take a break.
I take static-ish risk. I sniffed the balls. And they are mine. There's a cream for that.
I mean, let's be honest. If you're going to sniff balls, it might as well be your own, right? You don't want to sniff somebody else's balls.
Yeah. That's what I would say. I'm going to take a long if I see a long. Wow, I haven't even checked out my top step chart. Can you believe it's not even on my screen? Talk about not being in the mood to trade, eh? Let's get it up on the big monitor and see what it says. Top step chart says short. Short bias, although I'm going to take a long just for a one lot. If we get a continuation move up. Alex M. Good morning, Alex. Love to see you here. Nice to have you join us. You in a good mood? Good morning. I caught that winner with you. I don't know. I caught a lot of winners this morning. I don't know which one. Trading's been going very well. And I'm really cutting down my size. I don't know if you heard. I'm going to start taking one lots and just milk the prop firms. I got enough PAs and master accounts with Bullinox. Might as well, you know. Look, if you can take out $1,000 or $1,500 payments every 2 weeks, that's good. $100 a day per account. We're going to see if I can do it with one lots. Right now I have, but I'm not in the mood to trade today, so I can't really look at my numbers today. But I got one to target. And as I always say, guys, remember when I say a one lot, it could be a two lot because I add when my trades go into drawdown, because that trade that you add when it goes into drawdown is a mathematically phenomenal trade. Since it's in drawdown, the risk is smaller and the return is much greater because I don't change my stop loss or my take profit. It's still the original take profit. I should make a video on that too and match it up with the video I'm telling you guys to watch. So not only is it trade entry where you enter your trade, but then how you enter it. Add those two together and you're trading like a mathematical wizard. I mean, that's putting the odds in your favor. Just saying. Of course, whenever that fucking thing rings. What is this? Oh, this is 8. I'm trying to get up to 90. 89.90. There you go. Hit it. Way to go. Way to go. Really? Now we're going to get a short. I'm going to take it. I just took the long, and now we're going to take it a short. Maybe. Wait, 93.89's got to go down to 79. 79's got to hold on the offer. And if 79 holds on the offer, we're targeting 72. So if 79 holds, I'm going to try to get in at 83. Targeting 72, it'll be an 11-point target with an 11-point stop approximately. Bing, bing, we're long. And the short isn't going to materialize because look how fast we're going to go to 01 to 19, 18-point target. And we almost got it in like seconds. Wow, it's crazy. It's so strong, this system. Ah, that's the trade Alex took with me, the short. There we go, out already. Very impressive.
Took a quick scalp, but the other account's still in it. And I get some scalps on my one account.
Yeah, you know what? This thing is doing so well. I think I'm going to forward test it for like another 17 years. And if it continues to perform well, I'm going to start trading it. No, I'm already taking the trades. And I think Alex jumped in on one also.
The bad thing is 17 years from now, the market will be so much different. That's what makes trading interesting. The market's constantly changing.
Yeah, my hair's going to start getting gray in 17 years from now.
Be careful with the shorts. Market is still bullish. Lewis says.
You're not going to have a beard anymore.
Look, I didn't want to say this before, but I didn't have any gray in my beard until I started trading with you.
I think so. I swear to God. It's really getting gray very fast. Am I really that stressful? I make you laugh. At least I try to. I'm cold. My game better work good today. It failed. It flopped. It's such a good game.
Did you reinforce the walls?
No, you can't do that. You just have to slow down the speed.
Can't make the walls thicker?
Nah, not really. I tried. I did everything. I made the walls 1,000 pixels thick. If a ball goes into hyperspeed, it just travels the entire distance before an update is able to take place, even though it's doing updates on the millisecond level.
Yeah.
But it doesn't happen. It really doesn't happen that often. I had it at 1.6, the velocity. You should never have it over 1.2. Seriously. I don't know why it's the default suddenly is at 1.6. That's so wrong.
Have to put a cap on it.
Yeah. 0.9 is probably the safest. Anything under 1, you'll never go through a wall. Okay, well, for a day that I didn't feel like trading, I did good. I'm going to load the game and just start testing it. I got nothing to do.
Oh, it came down on the 4 hour. Came down to that low again, pushed back off. Everybody thought the market was dumping. They may still do it, but for now, they pushed back up. Right around that 50% mark. So do they push back up, try for the high again, or just the last attempt? I have push up, take local high, then drop. That was for last night. Did they do that? I think that was on the 15-minute though. Oh yeah, they took it right there. It was right there. Pushed up, took the local high, dropped.
Oh, yeah. I hear my fan.
Is that your number one fan?
Come on! You gotta be kidding me. This game can't be taking up that many resources. Something is wrong. 35%. This game is taking up 35% of my CPU.
Oh, wow.
No, something is wrong. The other game wasn't taking up near as much as that.
Alex, good morning. Got that winner with you. Sweet. Still pushing. Bull still in control. What's next? Can I get it? Apex? Lewis, next potential target 25,349. Yep. Pre-market. Yeah, pre-market high. We're also kind of bullish on the hourly because it's making back here lower highs, lower lows. Came up, we broke the high that made the low. Whether you consider that one or that one, depending on the time frame, I guess. But either way, broke the high that made the low. Came down higher low. Looks like we're pushing up for a higher high. We're also back in this value area for this range. See the red line up here, the green line, that's our value area for our range since September. Kind of faded line up here is the point of control.
Elad, we're supposed to play lead the field. But for some reason, something is in here that's taxing my computer. So I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, by the way, it's not sponsored by Bullinox anymore. Got to change that.
I didn't even see this gap test, but it's a nice gap test. 1026. I think most of us took that trade anyways, just not for the gap.
Volume was good today. Volume was high.
Yeah, nice volume.
Yeah, it was 500 and something thousand before the markets opened. Sponsored by Omnius. Yeah, let me go change that.
Where's Mikey at? Mikey, you still there? Mikey, if you're there, how'd the Google Drive work? Was you able to get stuff off of it pretty easy? First time trying to set up a Google Drive and do indicators. So hopefully everything works pretty good. No issues. Sweet. I want to try to create a nice list of indicators people can use without having to search everywhere to find them. You can't see it in the editor. Yeah, that's kind of weird, isn't it? I mean, it's in my... Is it in my editor? I don't know, some of them... Let me check my editor. I crashed my computer to try to open it. I guess some of the codes, the people that make them set it to where you can't access the code. I wonder if the original creator did that. Don't know anything about all that. We're talking about chart lag time. Yeah, it's in mine. See it right there. Yep. See it right there. Chart lag time, volume 3. Weird. Once again, wish I could be more help. Kind of new to the whole sharing indicators and stuff like that. I ain't heard you in a while. You muted?
No, I'm just testing the game. It does say warm-up game, right? Somewhere? Yes, it does. Perfect.
I see it.
Yeah. So we got to take profit. We got now 2 stop loss pits on each side of the take profit. Now you can lose points.
Wow.
And the leader every couple of seconds, the leader gets updated and gets pushed to the top and is highlighted in blue.
Oh yeah. Updates. Michael was about to try it out. I guess the Google Drive. Yeah, man, check it out. Want to add more and more indicators in there. For now, what do we got? We got the news. We got the chart lag. Got a nice moving average I think I put in there. And I created a custom moving average bands. And I put that in there.
We're using Google Drive, but those updates are a little bit annoying.
These are for Ninja. Yes, these are for Ninja. We was talking about maybe working on some custom indicators together, custom strategies. I know some people expressed interest in doing code and stuff together, so try to share those in Discord or Google Drive or however we can do it. Plus, a lot of people ask about the indicators that I have on my chart, so any of them that I can give to y'all, certainly will. And if y'all know any really cool indicators y'all think, let me know, see if we can put in there for other people. I'm not the type of person that believes in magic indicators, so never going to tell people, oh, you have to have this one. It's a magic indicator. Nope. Don't believe it.
You don't have any magic indicators.
Like what?
Magic 1, Magic 2. I don't know. There are no magic indicators. Of course you don't have a magic indicator, because there's no such thing as a magic indicator.
I mean, it's just a chart. You look at it. Is it going up? Buy. Is it going down? Sell.
Yep. Doesn't matter what people tell you. Unless it's called Fumile. Can you see it in your editor? He's still talking about that, the time one there, whatever it was called.
I'm on top
Time lapse.
chat, ain't I? Chart lag indicator. I think you're on top chat too, because that was a while ago. Stupid top chat.
Yeah, I'll change it.
Because every day we show up and think to ourselves, sure would like to miss half the comments. Stupidest thing in the world.
So what are you using now? Google Drive to put your stuff on? And just linking it in Discord, or what? How you...
Yeah. Sent you the link.
Yeah, no, I know. I just didn't look at it, so I was
Oh,
asking.
okay, yeah.
Save time.
It's a new process. So it's new to me. I'm not saying it's new. It's new to me. So
Yeah.
y'all see something, you think I'm doing something wrong, or you see something there that shouldn't be there, let me know. Don't let me have sensitive information or something just sitting there. That's the only thing about using Google Drive I don't know about. It's like, they're not going to like be putting sensitive information out there.
I think we're going to just do single players. A little bit of a problem.
I didn't do
Maybe.
it.
No, what I did is I truncated the names because I think only the first 7 or 8 characters showed up. So we have like Nick Fro. I forgot who Nick Fro is. I know it's on your, it was from your stream. Anyway, it's just a qualifier today, but. Then we got Bullina. I don't know what. Oh, Bullina China something. That's the one. It was leading me to think Bullinox, but yeah, Bullina. And then there's Happy Kids, Gilad and Lewis, and Mars Pump.
You got Michael Lodum.
Yeah, Michael's there.
Mikey, and Michael.
What? Who's Mike? Mikey and Nickelodeon. Am I missing somebody?
Are you being serious?
Swear to God.
Guys in Mike's chat, can y'all type in who Mike is?
Well, not me. I'm not in it. I'm not playing. I'm also Michael, but that's not me. Let's see how this works. Okay, it's working good. What's the gravity? You remember wasn't there a gravity setting?
Anti-profit pit's huge, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't see the gravity setting. There used to be a gravity setting.
Michael, looks like just the files are showing. Nothing available above the shared folder. Should just be the shared folder, right? I don't know. There's not much there. I just started it. Where is Google Drive? There it is.
Okay, we're ready. I'm done. I've done all my warm-up game testing. Yep, some reason it's using a shit ton of CPU, and the games never did before. I'm gonna have to ask DeepSeek what it did. It used to use about 10%. Now it's using 45% of my CPU.
Oh, okay.
Shooting up from
Thank you, Mike.
Shooting up from 53 to 100 when I load the game.
That's weird.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's the scorekeeping and the updating of the score in real time like that. What time is it?
10:52. I threw a cumulative delta indicator in there too, so a lot of people ask about that. Also, an inside bar paint. For those people that want to trade the inside bar, you want it to paint for you. And then the TS Super Trend. That's the one that paints the candles. So I think it's a good start with the indicators. Warm-up game. Yeah, still 10:53.
Well, we're going to get a short trade soon, but we're kind of long bias. I think we're, what did we do? We just broke the session highs, eh?
Did we break it?
Looks like it, yeah. 25,300. That's
yeah.
going to be a pretty. That's going to be a pretty ballsy short, but
still waiting on the overnight high.
It's been doing really well.
$25,347. Lewis, is that what you trade? You just trade the candle ranges? Going from the... looking for price to go from the low to the middle to the high previous day? Yeah. I think a lot of that goes with the candle range theory. It is an interesting way to look at the market.
So stupid.
What happened?
Not a banana. When it makes a mistake and you tell it to try and fix the mistake, it never fixes it. It just redoes it over and over. You know what?
Yeah.
Continuing my conversation on a really intelligent way to frame a trade. How about every time you touch the line with a bearish candle and it's a small one and you break the high, that's your entry for a long, especially if it's a small candle. That gives you tiny risk for huge return. And it probably doesn't happen that often. But I'm looking over here. It depends on how strict you're going to be on your criteria. That might or might not be an entry. This is not an entry because it's not a bearish candle. There you go. There's a bearish candle touching, but the next one is still a bearish candle small. There you go. Beautiful entry. Multiple R's on that. So that's 2 for the day. I'm looking now here. We would want a bullish candle from the downside. That's not. Like,
What are you
so
using?
many
Just
ways.
the one super trend?
Yeah. So many ways to frame a trade intelligently or to get into a trade. Here, if you were to get into this one, it would have been a loser. But you got to establish what you're considering a small candle.
I think you should try putting the tight super trend settings that I got in there with it.
248, 241. It was way too quick for me.
You mean?
It just flipped too often. I prefer this.
No.
this.
Yeah,
These were...
I'm saying you would have 2 super trends like I got.
Yeah, no, I know. I had it for a while. I had it up, but nah, I like it like this. This suits my personality.
Mm-hmm. I was going to tell you there's another, instead of Nana Banana, another one that's been doing good lately is Copilot. And
yeah.
Copilot used to take forever to do pictures, but it's still not near as fast as Nana Banana. I mean, Nana Banana is like super quick, but
Well, can it what's the word? Change a picture? Can it make an update to a picture? You know, like if a guy's wearing a shirt that says Mike, and I say change it to John?
Yeah. Pretty much do everything Nana Banana can do.
Okay.
It takes a little bit longer, but I don't know. You have to try it out, see how you like it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it still does some of the stupid AI stuff. You tell it to fix something, it fixes it and breaks something else. Like, okay, well, now I'll go back and fix, what you fucked up. But that was one I didn't like before because it took so long and made a lot of mistakes. But now it seems to be working a lot better. Next level, 25,347. Oh, yeah. Got it marked on my chart. Question is, do we get a big pullback first? Just to get all the bears coming in and then bear trap. Trying to push. To the moon. Let's go.
Yeah, it's going that strong. I should consider taking a trade.
You know, all this bullishness makes me mad, right?
Why?
Wanted to buy more stocks.
Yeah.
You don't give me enough time to make decisions and go buy a bunch of stuff. And we had that push up. What was it, Friday? I was like, fuck, I had more stuff I wanted to buy. I was like, it's okay. It's going to come back down. I'll buy some more. And then let's see new highs. But no. To the moon. It's just not fair for us slow people that need more time to think about what we're doing. How my stock's doing today?
Okay, we keep trying.
I thought Bitcoin was going to drop lower with all the recent news about that.
Bangs. Hello, Bangs.
Bangs,
Hello, did it go?
Bitcoin went to 60,000.
Wow. That's a pretty deep dump. Cold.
Oh yeah, between Bitcoin and Microsoft. Microsoft was down almost 30%. Did buy a decent position in Microsoft, but wanted more, man. Oracle was down 60%. You know, I didn't know this, Mike. I found this out last week. Oracle, so they're like one of those spy companies that spy on everybody.
Oh, yeah.
With the AI and all the data collection and all that creepy shit. They're the ones that bought TikTok.
No kidding. I didn't even know TikTok was bought.
Well, you remember, was it last year or the year before? I think it was the year before they shut down TikTok. Everybody was freaking out. And they're like, we're not going to allow TikTok in the United States.
Yep, I do remember that.
And then Trump said, well, somebody from the U.S. has to buy it.
I didn't know that someone ended up buying it. So it was Oracle.
I'm not going to tell y'all what that's called when you force a company to have to be owned by other people. There's another country that does that too, but I'm not going to say it out loud.
I disagree.
But anyways.
You got to protect your country. You can't let your country be taken over by, allow foreigners to take over your land, your software, your businesses. Then it doesn't become your country anymore.
Yep, that's the same thing the other countries say.
Come on, Omnius. Be real. Imagine you have me in as a house guest, and then I start cooking and I take over your kitchen, and then my kids take over your room with the TV, and they decide what they're going to watch, and I decide what you eat, and after a while, and then I started to tell you guys what time to go to bed. After a while, you're going to say, hey, Mike, relax. This is my house.
Well, they still have to follow your laws, right? I mean, if people are using it in the United States, they still have to follow our laws. If they're using it in Canada, they have to follow Canada's laws.
Yeah, but
or else they can't use it in that region. But when you say that the state's going to take over a company, that's not capitalism. That's not the market's deciding. That's not free market. But anyways, let's get back to the point. The point is that I found out that Oracle is the one that bought it. The company that basically spies on everybody and mines everybody's data. kind of creepy, man.
Hmm.
Anyways, they're up
Well,
9% today.
the mining data is just going to grow and grow and grow.
Unfortunately, but that's what we need laws to protect us against. The funny part is they didn't want China to have a stake in the company because they said China might be mining people's data.
Mm.
I mean, if you don't see the irony there,
I do see the
like,
irony.
I mean,
It's fine if you monitor your children and check on the phone app where they are, but it's not fine if the neighbor across the street does it. You don't want the neighbor across the street tracking your children, but it's fine if you do it, because for you it's security. You're monitoring them, you're watching them, you're keeping an eye on them, making sure they're safe. You have no idea what intention the guy across the street has when he's doing it.
by the guy across the street, you mean the government, right?
No, I mean someone else. That's all. Just someone else.
But who is the someone else? I mean, I don't understand.
Who is the someone else? Well, they didn't want, you were saying they don't want China mining the data, but they're doing it. So I'm just equating it to, I always think government like a parent. It's a parent watching over its children. And every country has its own parent, just like every household has its own parent. So it's up to the US government to take care of its children in the United States. It's up to the Canadian government to take care of their children in Canada, and it's up to China to take care of their own children in China. And every parent does it in a different way. Some are stricter, some are more lenient, But the parent has the control and gets to do, how it gets to raise their children their way. Nobody appreciates as a parent being told how to take care of your children. If you want to spy on your children, that's your choice, but they're your children to spy on. But you don't want some other parent spying on your children.
So I'd have to disagree with just about all that.
You mean just about all of it? There wasn't a sliver of, I don't know what word to use, but
I don't know. I'm always going to side on the side of freedom. I think that's about the most important. Government is not there to be your parent. Government is there to be your representative. You hear people, oh, they're in power. They're not in power. They're in place to be your representative. Government's supposed to represent the people, not the other way around.
Yeah.
If there's any spying, it should be the people spying on the government, not the government spying on the people.
Yeah, you're right, I guess. I agree with that too. That's the
government's not our daddy. It's not their job to do those things. And we have a constitution that tells us that. So I'm always going to side on the side of that.
Yeah, no, I agree with you there also. So there. I don't even have...
Yeah, I don't rely on the government to take care of me. I don't. If they're going to do something, I feel like they need to show where they get the authority to do it. I think we have laws to protect us against these things. We have a constitution to protect us against these things. And I would just say for government to follow the law, follow the Constitution. That's why it's there. Now, I don't know what the Constitution in Canada is. I've never read it. Maybe it's different. I know in the States, we have 50 different states with 50 different state constitutions. So, certainly different everywhere you go. And everybody certainly looks at it different. Just voicing my opinion for whatever it's worth. Also, I would just point out that in many countries around the world, they're going to like social credit score systems. I don't know if y'all have heard anything about that. But more and more across Europe, China's big on that now. Go watch some of the videos of China. You walk across the street and you can't buy gas.
Yeah, no, it's pretty crazy.
They got people. You go into a store, maybe you're having a bad day, you wasn't as nice to the cashier, and she's reporting to your social credit score. Now you can't buy bread. That's our future, and all these things are being put in place to carry that. Then if you watch like the World Economic Forum, and you watch these people who really control the countries, and you watch them say how China's got the best system and we need to follow them, you can kind of see how all these things are being put into place. So, you want to know your future? Look up social credit scores, look up 15-minute cities, and see what all that data is doing. Soon to come to a city near you. And Klaus Schwab said, by 2030, you will own nothing and be happy about it.
And you will be happy.
I did find that out about the Oracle thing. I thought that was interesting. Like, we don't want them spying on U.S. citizens, so we sell the company to a spy company who spies on U.S. citizens. The irony. Oh, yeah. Now we talk about selling air, selling water. You still trading? You wanna?
Me?
Play some
No,
games?
I'm fixing my image. I'm kind of doing it manually. I'm going to clean it up. Then I'm going to put it into Mr. Nano Banana and
Like a thumbnail?
yeah, the background.
Oh, for the game?
Yeah. What time is it? It's 11:13. Still early.
Yep.
I'm really hungry.
Let's see. We didn't quite take the high.
I hate being hungry.
Still think they'll do it. We get a drop first. That's why Xi Jinping never sleeps in the same bed every night. He constantly is on the move. In fear of assassination. Who's going to assassinate that guy? The control they have over there is like they control everything.
An image parameter is currently programmed.
Y'all see what he did? What they did to Jack Ma for speaking against the party. He didn't even say anything bad. Like, they destroyed this guy's whole life. Billions and billions of dollars.
Oh, not a lot of trades going on though, lately in the last little while while we were chatting.
We're still pushing up, but it's still kind of really choppy.
Mm-hmm.
You want to watch some shit now? There's like 20 streaming services. Let's go back to cable. I like the streaming services better than I was really never into cable. His general's already tried. Oh wow. me, the good thing about the streaming service is I can just go whatever I'm looking for and just watch it. I don't have to flip through channels. I don't have to, what time is this? What time is that? And even before the streaming services, I used to have my TV hooked up to a computer a long time ago, back when the LCDs first came out. And we would always watch stuff on the computer. I don't even think Netflix was streaming then. I think they were still like the disc. We didn't even have many DVDs. Like we kind of skipped the whole DVD era. We was just like straight to streaming way back then.
Reagan, I'm from the government and I'm here to help. That's funny.
Yep.
Give me a sec, guys.
Most terrifying words. Yeah, they used to have all kinds of streaming sites. I used to be on a bunch of them. I had my computer right there hooked to the TV. Just go online, pick whatever movie or show or whatever we wanted to watch, and just watch it. And we had one thing, I forget the name of it, but it was like a dashboard. And had all kinds of movie apps and stuff on it. Go there, go to whatever, watch all kinds of stuff. Most terrifying words. The government saying, trust us. Yeah. IPTV. No, it wasn't that. It was what was the name? It used to be big too. Like, you know how you have like Windows or like you have Netflix and you go on the Netflix dashboard. It was like it took your computer and you clicked on it and it put it into like a whole streaming dashboard. Can't think of the name of it. Cody, that's what it was called, Cody. That used to be big. I don't think it's big anymore.
Hello?
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 Hello? Can you hear me now?
Really? I thought I pressed my button.
All new Cody 2026. I guess it is still a thing. You have all kinds of different people. They set up different dashboards and stuff, and you can go like download how they have theirs. Yep, Cody. I used to have that a long time ago. You could basically set your TV up any way you wanted it. People used to give me DVDs. They'd be like, watch that. I'm like, how do you watch it? I didn't have a DVD player. Like going to the Xbox trying to figure out how to put a DVD in it. Yeah, see, no. I just looked it up, said 2026. But now we have all the streaming services, so I mean, it really don't matter. Watch most things on Netflix or one of the other ones.
I'm almost done, ladies and gentlemen.
Almost.
Start your engines.
Came right up to the high and rejected. Slow grind to the upside. Yeah, Skeletor on Cody, they had a live channels and everything. You watch whatever you wanted on that thing. I know they cracked down a lot on the streaming services years ago. I don't think it's as good as it used to be. Like I remember people used to pay like $300 something for cable. I have 1,000 channels. I'm like, yeah, but is there ever anything to watch? All you're doing, you're fighting through 1,000 channels to find something to watch.
I don't remember it being that expensive.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Some of the people with Dish and stuff, what Dish Network and cable used to be that expensive, and the world we live in now. Got a NVIDIA Shield right over there. Go on there. We got YouTube. We got basically a computer on the TV. YouTube, all kinds of streaming apps. A lot of them are free. You don't even have to pay for them. Go on there, watch TV shows, watch live television.
Yeah, TV's pretty good now, the way it's set up.
Mm-hmm.
The streaming, it really caught on, and it's a good thing. Watch what you want to watch when you want to watch it.
Exactly.
It's like you remember the shitty old days when the show you wanted to watch was on Wednesdays.
Exactly.
You had to wait.
You had something to do. Like, no, I can't do no. My show's on the night. I can't.
Yeah.
Well, you can miss this one show. No, you can't. How you gonna find it? Not only did you have to be there to watch it, but if you missed it, like how would you just missed what happened?
Yeah.
How would you find it? Now we can watch whole seasons, binge watch whole seasons in a row.
Yeah. Binge watching, that's fun. That's where it's at.
We've been watching, lately we've been watching It. Welcome to Barry. That's a pretty cool show. Pushing back up, trying to take that high. Seems like it's got to at least like peak above it, right? Like right there.
Boom.
Boom, you get it?
I did. I'm done.
Where's Nana Banana fighting with you?
No, it was, but we're all done.
It is absolutely amazing, like how brilliant these AIs are, and how they just get to a point and they're like, "Nope, I'm gonna fight from here on out. Everything's gonna be a fight. And you ain't getting shit. You ain't getting nothing. Everything from this point on, It's going to be one hell of a battle. That's when you got to shut it down and come back another day.
Well, yeah, that's exactly what I do. I go out and I come back in.
Yep.
It's like sneaking into the back door.
All right, be back in a minute.
Okay, let me go and rename it now. I'm still hungry. I don't see it. I see it. Is the game loaded? Bing! Let's see how it works. Do we have everybody in? Who was the last person to enter in? Nothing is happening. I think we're out of gas for this No News Monday. Yep. How about them insert sports teams? Bangs. I think Bangs was the last one to...
Out of gas for a No News Monday. Oh, we took the high. Great morning session. I'm out of the trade. Oh, Lewis, you were holding all the way for the high, huh? That's some dedication there.
11:30. Did you get any new entries on your side of the world?
Nope. Just
Okay, so we got everyone down to Bangs.
We got Lewis, we got Lewis, we got Michael. We got the ones I sent you from the overnight. And I think Skeletor, Mikey, and all those on your side. Does anybody else? Let us know. You want to join the giveaway game? Today's for a qualifier. One day our stream will be big enough that we can do giveaways every day. Till then, still have fun, play games, and do qualifiers.
Today's qualifiers for the finals on Friday for a Taurus Arena 50K Prime account. Let me get qualifier up. Move it over to the middle.
Next target possible 25,386. Right above us, isn't it?
Hey. Lock it in.
I was trying to guess what the 386 was, but I don't see it. Maybe it's a weekly. Little gap there, but I don't think that's what you're looking at. Not weekly. Not daily. Yes, the gap? Really? Okay. I do see we have all this orders here. I'm not even on the right chart. This order block here. You see that? So we gotta try to get above that. Where are we up? 0.8% on the day for the NQ. Nice bullish day.
That's pretty good. Yep. Can't ask for much more than that.
No, especially after I had this downturn and everybody was looking for the bottom to fall out. Done trading. Don't trade past 11:30 or 12 to 12. Yeah, Lewis. I try not to either. Once we start slowing down, I mean, getting a little bit now, but back here we're just getting a bit choppy. I try to be happy with what I got and go from there. Sometimes I'll start trading again around 1:30, 2. Try to skip the lunch hours. Historically, my trading is not the best during lunch hours. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Banzry? Banzry, thanks for subscribing if I got it right. If I don't, sorry. Let me know. Do better. All right, you got the game up? You ready?
Sure, I do. I got the game up. Let's just, while you're loading it up, I did put it in Discord. So, guys, today's game is brought to you by Taurus Arena. They have some updates on their website. They're actually running competitions daily. If you win a competition, you get a cash value in coins. And unlike the futures floor coins, these coins you can actually use. If you're first in one of the daily competitions, you get a $25 value in coins. Second, $15, and third is $7.50. Multiple competitions per day, it says. And then you can use your coins on checkout. So that's cool. That's a fantastic way to have fun and earn rewards for your checkout. Current specials, Direct Prime, that's direct to funded, it's 40% off. The Prime Bundle deal, that's for 3 accounts or more, it's $22 an account. Don't forget, you got to put in the quantity of 3 or more at the checkout, otherwise you won't see it. And finally, the Freeze account, that's direct with no it's an eval with no activation fee, and that's $77, so that's pretty good. I don't know too many firms that have with no activation for $77. That's an excellent price. So go check them out right there on the screen, taurusarena.com. And let's run the game. This one is Lead the Field. It's a 2-minute game. Whoever has the highest amount of points wins the game. Take profit. If you fall into the take profit, you get 5 points. There's 2 stop loss pits, one on each side of the take profit. That's minus 3 points. The points will be tracked on the left side of the board. And it's a 2-minute game. If there's a tie at the end of the game, we go into overtime. Are you ready to play, Omnius? and we'll do a burst to keep it fair, so everyone comes out at the same time. You look like you're ready to go.
Think so.
Okay. Everybody else ready to go?
No guarantee that everything's perfect. Takes a lot. It takes a lot to switch over. It takes a lot to switch over. Turn this on, turn that off, move this here, move that there.
Okay.
Miss K says she's ready.
She's ready. Hold on. My chat is not up. There we go. Miss K's ready. We're all ready to go. We're going with a burst. And we're off. Bangs is in first place with 0. Buena -3. Nick Fro got a 5. We got a bunch of 5ers there. Miss K and Nick Fro got 10. Top of the leaderboard to you. Don't go into the stop out pit.
I like it the way it updates.
Yeah. Miss K keeping the lead here with 12. Oh, she was going back in the pit, but someone gave her a hit. Someone gave her a hit, knocked her off. Michael and Nick Fro with 15. Miss K with 12. Where are you, Miss K?
So how much do you get when you go in the take profit?
5.
What do you lose?
3.
5 up, 3 down.
5 up, 3 down. Skelly, you went into the stop loss. Mikey in the stop loss. KPNS stop loss. Mikey again. Ooh, not looking good for you, Mikey. You're probably Mikey, you got -1.
I don't even see Mikey.
Yeah, he's there. He keeps going into the stop out pit. There he goes. Now he's going to get some points. Mikey moved into the positive with +4, but Happy Kid has 32.
Oh, Galad's got -6.
Some people just like to stop out.
Guys, you're looking for the green one.
Yeah, and it's really big. I made it so you can't miss it. 34 seconds. A 3-way tie.
Lewis taking the lead.
Lewis took the lead. Lewis is floating around. Nick Fro, you can catch up. 21 seconds left. Tronus, Happy Kid, you got a chance. Miss K, you got a chance. You just got to go in twice. Where is Miss K?
Oh, Miss K's in second place.
Yeah.
Oh, she's just got hit it once. 5 seconds.
Lewis, can you hold on? Nick Fro comes in.
Wait, where did he come from?
He got it up to 37.
Oh, he took it at the last second?
Yep.
Oh, that's good. Good job, Nick Fro.
Yeah, that's funny, Mikey.
Guys, type GG in the chat.
That is funny, Mikey. All of a sudden, you can't find yourself into the middle of the board. Well, you didn't end with 0. You ended with 11.
Lewis, he took it at the very last second. That was a good comeback.
And it could be worse. Gilad ended with -6. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't think you'd be possible to end with a -6.
Where's Mikey
at? Mikey finished the game with +11.
Oh, see, Mikey, you're doing good.
I got good news for you, Mikey. You probably won't do worse in the next one. Nick Fro, a new user. Okay, let's run game number 2. I think I'm going to go with fire, even though it's kind of unfair. But there's only 15 players, so it's not bad. But the last one out.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
There's going to be people with points already for the last one out. But it might be luck.
I feel like you got to put the timer on there where you block it till the timer.
Yeah, we'll try. It's only a qualifier. We're going to run like 12 of them this week, probably even more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, Taurus Arena. You're playing in the Taurus Arena.
To be fair, though, it's random. So, I mean, anybody could get those.
No, they're all out. Nobody's in yet.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody was in yet. They all came out. Happy Kid's got a nice bump.
Got bangs at the top. I got a whole bunch of them.
Doing much better. Mikey doing much better. Where's the Mikey ball? Mikey, you're going right into the pit. There you go, Mikey. Good job on you.
Mikey's a bluish purple.
And Mikey, you're going right back in the pit again. 15. Where's Mikey? Let's watch Mikey.
Who got the stop loss? Lewis?
Mikey's going in. Oh, he almost went in the stop. Who's got the stop loss? Mikey. Oh, Mikey, you got a...
Oh, a bunch of stop outs. We got Happy Kid at the top, followed by Ben Trades and Gaber. Who the hell are these people?
Jaja Gabor.
Okay, Gabor.
I don't know. They're from the overnight, from your stream, my stream. Ding a ding a ding a ding. Michael Gilad.
Mikey ain't got no balls. Mikey ain't got no balls? I don't see him.
I can't scan that fast. Whoa, everybody's on the bottom.
Yeah, Mikey, I think you lost your balls, man.
We got blasted out. It's always a possibility. I don't know how to fix that, if it happened.
That sucks.
Gilad! It's okay, there's another game. Gilad. KPNS leading with 35, 5 seconds left. Can anyone pull it off? Take it from him in the last second. No, KPNS.
Who's KPNS?
From your stream. That's one of the things you sent me.
Okay. Well, I mean, if that's what I sent you, that's what I sent you.
That's what you sent me. That's what you sent me.
KPNS. Good job.
Nick Bro.
We give everybody a chance. I was going to say a fair chance, but I guess there's that small chance you don't get a fair chance. I don't know.
We'll run one game with just Mikey and we'll see if he could win.
Mike, what if you have those blocks that you break in the other game? What if you put those around the wall?
Around the border. You are fucking smart.
Then you got to break through 2 walls.
Yeah, you are smart.
I mean, I'm sure Mikey will still do it. Mikey, we got to get you in a more positive thinking, right?
Yeah. Maybe if I make the whole floor the take profit pit, Mikey will find his way in. Best!
Mike, hold on. Hey, you know how we talk about strategies that do really bad and you just inverse the strategy, but they still do bad? If we inverse the board, would Mike still lose or no?
I don't know.
It'd be in the...
He come up with? Where did he come? 15 points. Well, last time was 11. This time 15. He's improved by almost 50%. I'm predicting his next score will be 25 in the next game.
I'm gonna go with 30. Mikey, I believe in you. You got it, buddy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, burst. Everybody out at the same time. Bolognese starts off with a 5, and so does Bangs. Mikey, you're back in the lead.
Where's he at? What's he got? Blue ball? Bluish purple?
He's got bluish purple. He's floating around the top. He was going in the pit, but Skelly gave him a really high speed bump. And he's just floating around, checking it out, not wanting to commit to anything. He's got 10.
Who do we got at the top? Bolognese, Mars Pump, and Bangs.
Mikey almost stopped out, but he hit the post. A lot of people jumping into the pit there. 25. Mikey, you're going into the stop out pit. Wrong way.
Oh, Miss K is close.
You go. Anybody going to give Mikey a bump? No, he's just floating around. Happy
K
Kid.
was at the bottom.
Ben Trades again. 35.
Oh, Miss K's moving up. Get him, Miss K.
Michael, Gabor, Mikey, Lewis. We'll count out the pointers. Who scored? Whoa, that was a rush for the stop out pit. That should change things around. Mikey's only at 6 with 43 seconds left. Mikey, you're going the wrong way. Ben Trades. Mikey, there you go. You got some points. You must be at 11. There you are.
Miss K, what happened? Yeah, you were going up. What happened?
Skelly, Gilad. Gabor's been getting a lot of points. Mars Pump takes a lead, but Mars Pump stopped out. He gives it up to KPNS and Ben Trades. Tronus, Ben Trades and KPNS fighting it out. KPNS got a stop out. Mars Pump, Ben Trades, KPNS. 35, 32, 29.
Can we get a
Lewis.
last second from Michael?
Elad, no, Ben Trades.
Ben Trades. Sweet. Miss K, you was climbing up the board like rapidly, and then all of a sudden, just right back down the board.
Let's run one more. I like this game.
Who's that? Ben Trades.
Guys, can we
chat for Ben Trades?
Can we give Mike? Hey, what did you say Mikey was going to get? I got it. I said 22. He got 21.
Did he?
Yeah. Now
I said 30.
The next game. Yeah.
Where's
no,
Mikey?
22.
Mikey?
Number 11.
Mikey?
Number 11.
Yep. They did pretty good that game.
I do it for all of you guys on a rotating basis. Today's Mikey's day. Mikey's going to get 3 balls. We'll run it one more time.
3.
Save and apply. Yeah, give him 3. Burst. Why not? It's Monday. Mikey stopped out. He's already at -3. Let's see if we can help Mikey out. Whoa, everyone's they're flying into the pit. Mikey and Mikey 2 are tied for
I don't
the
know.
lead.
In this game, more balls might cause you to lose more.
Well, Mikey 2 is up there. Oh, he's drifting lower. Miss K, Michael in the pit. Mikey 2 is going back in the pit. He's climbing with 20. Michael, Mikey, Mars Pump. Boom, Lewis. Mikey 3, Miss K, Gabor, Happy Kids, Mikey, Michael. Skelly, Tronus, all scoring. We're up to 32 already. Happy Kid. Mikey 3 is going to go in. Skelly's going in. Where is Skelly? Skelly's got to be near the top. No, with only 12 points. You've gone in a few times. Mikey, 24 points. Mikey 3, 22 points. KPNS, he's going back in the pit again. KPNS is finding the pit. Let's watch KPNS. There he is. There's my mouse. Here's KPNS. Let's see. 47 points. I'm following KPNS with my mouse. See if anybody's going to catch him in the 30 seconds.
We got
Where's
Miss
he going?
K
He's going to go in
climbing
the
up.
stop out pit. Yeah.
Miss
KPNS
K's
just
climbing
stopped out.
fast. Michael in second with 40.
KPNS back in the stop out pit a second time. Where is he here? Okay,
Mikey
now he's
with
on the right
28.
side of the board.
So we got a few up at the top there.
KPNS is going back in the stop out pit. Oh no, he just missed.
Miss K in second. Oh, by 3 points.
Oh, KPNS just got another 5 points. KPNS, Louis, Mikey.
Miss K, can you take it at the last? No. Oh.
Wow, KPNS.
Oh, and Michael was trying to come in.
What did he get? What did we get?
42 for Michael. 39 for Miss K.
The best Mikey did was 33. Okay, let's give him another 3.
KPNS.
No.
Good job.
4 is good for 4 is good. That was fun. I like this game. And yeah, you're right. That's a really good idea to line the walls with the breakout bricks and just make it like 100. You have to hit it 100 times before there's a hole in the wall. That'll hold everybody in. You're a smart man.
Yeah, you can leave it as normal. I feel like if you break through the normal bricks and break out the wall, in that case, I mean, you did it to yourself, right?
Yeah. Okay, who do we got? Whoever we have, I want to do one more. I'm having fun and I'm in the mood. Whoever we have in chat on Omnius' stream or on my stream, type in, hold on, save and apply. So that'll be, wait, I got to put in one name. Let me put in futures. Don't do anything yet, please. Save and apply. Let me type in reset giveaway. Let me make sure that it works. Let me confirm by now that my player list is empty. Where's my player list? My player list is empty. Perfect. So we'll take a couple of minutes. And whoever types in giveaway, whatever. Yeah, no, giveaway question mark, and not whatever, because it won't get into the file otherwise. On my stream or on Omnius' stream, we'll run one more qualifier. Just for the guys we're hanging around now. Who knows? Maybe even two more. We'll see.
Yeah, I feel like we should be doing that. Like the guys overnight and stuff, we want to give them a chance to enter, but I feel like we also got to have at least one game a day for the people that are here at the moment.
Yeah.
And then if people throughout the day, people that's been around a while, like Miss K or Skeletor or Mikey or Lewis, you know, if they have a reason they can't be there, just let us know and throw them in anyways. But
Mike is really in the mood. So you see, I had a good idea today too. We both had a good idea. You, the breakout brick wall to keep the people in. But no, you can still go through it. Remember when I had the breakout brick, like the 5 walls, and some people would pick up speed, they would make it through 2 walls. It's not a guarantee. I just realized if they pick up too much speed, if they accelerate too much.
Yeah, Miss K, Mike's really in the mood today. His wife might get lucky.
Okay, so who do we got so far? Where's my player file?
Thought JC would pop up and be like, I'm on my way right now.
Yeah. She's at the doctor with my daughter.
Did you see the target hit 25,386? Let's take a look. See it. How did it react there? Yeah. Pushed up, kind of took the 390. Yeah, 390. Came back down. Kind of a slow grind day, but what's our next target? Let's take a look. You have this consolidation over here. See if we can take the high. 25,514.
Yeah, I like that. That's what it is. It's escape velocity. We're going to throw in Skelly. We're going to throw in Skelly because he's always around. I'm sure he's around.
He's around. He just typed in a little bit ago.
Yeah, I didn't see it. I saw Bangs, Mikey, Miss K.
He was just chatting a little bit ago.
Yeah, good game. Yeah, he's maybe just not listening now. So anyways, we put him in. I put Lewis in.
He's probably on a call.
Yeah, there you go, Skelly. We put him in anyways. You're in. You're in for the who's still hanging around list. So far, the still hanging around list is Miss K, Mikey, Bangs, Lewis, and Skelly. If I missed anybody, say, hey, dickhead, you missed me. Both for lost either.
Nope. Is everybody I see?
Okay, good enough. Let's run it.
Give him 30 seconds. See if anybody else. Michael says, hey. You got Michael in there?
Hey. No, I don't.
Michael, you were supposed to type in giveaway question mark. I mean, we could probably go with hey, but you know.
But then it doesn't get registered in the file, so don't blame me. Control copy.
He said hey, but he didn't say giveaway question marks. I don't know. Again, I did that. Mike was wanting to do a game just for the people that's here now. We've seen that you did it earlier. He just wanted to know who's present, who's here now to be able to enter into the game. So that's good. Mike, you got Michael?
I do. I'm giving everyone 3 balls.
We're at 0.9% on the day with Nasdaq. Like you see this huge move and you think we're up like 5% or something. We are up from the low, 441 points, 42 points.
3, and 3. Save and apply. Johnny! You made it! How many times did I tell you to come and check out the channel? Johnny, are you enter?
Is that Johnny Cash?
Johnny Carson, Johnny Cash, Johnny somebody. It's Johnny 023A. Type in giveaway question mark. We're running one last one. Hurry! We're already over budget. My chariot awaits me.
Johnny 5.
My chariot awaits me. Gilad, you snuck it in. Johnny's not typing it in. He's being stubborn. Okay, Johnny. Gilad, 1. Gilad, 2. And Gilad, 3.
Johnny be good. Oh, we got to come up with more Johnnies. We had Johnny Cash. We had Johnny 5. John 5. Johnny be good. And you said Johnny Carson.
We won't forget you, Gilad. Johnny Smith.
We do a John Doe.
John Doe. One chip. Everyone's coming in at midnight. I don't get it. I don't get
John
it.
Wick.
John Wick.
Ah, that was a good one.
What chip? You typing in giveaway? What chip doesn't have to type in giveaway? We're just going to call him Woody. It's easy. Woody. Woody 1. Woody 2. Woody 3. I don't know, Johnny. That's fine. He ran away. So John's gone. John came in. John left. You ready to go?
Maybe he had to go. Maybe he had to go to the John.
Me. Yeah, Johnny's in the John. Johnny's got a gun. Ready to go.
John Wick got more laughs than a cat.
We'll do a burst. You know what? We're gonna throw in some. We'll throw in some pegs. Make it a little bit harder.
Who also kills for a dog? John Wick kills for a dog?
Yeah, I think there was a dog in the. There we go. There's three rows of pegs.
First movie. It's been a while since I've seen it. Boom.
Okay, we're starting the game. Omnius, you ready?
Mike, my memory's so bad I can watch a movie and a few years later watch it again. It's a whole new movie.
Yep, it is. I know. I love it. That's the great thing about being oldish.
Can watch all your favorite movies for the first time over again.
Yeah. Last qualifier for the TaurusArena.com. The finals will be on Friday. We got, I don't know how many players on this one. The balls are tripled up. Save and apply, 24. There's 8 players in here. You got tripled up numbers. And we are ready to go. Omnius, just say the word. Say hit it, and we're gone.
Mikey, I understand the dog, but the Mustang? Yeah. We're going to war of the Mustang, man.
Apparently, Omnius isn't listening to me. Omnius, when you're ready, say hit it, and I say go.
Hit it.
There we go. You got a lot more pegs to keep you out of the pits. Skelly with 10 points, leading the way. Mikey. Mikey's got 10 points. Lewis, 15. Skelly, 15. Got a 3-way tie for top spot. Don't go in the stop out pit, go in the take profit. Skelly's running away with it, but Bangs is keeping an eye on him. Bangs just went in the pit. I saw that. That was really fast.
Guys, green pit good, red pit bad.
All I see is stop loss Mikey. Stop loss Mikey. It just Not working out. Scally 2 still maintaining his lead. There's still 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Scally 2 just went into stop loss pit, lowered his score. Bangs, you're in a good place to catch up. Mikey 3 got a pointer there. Dunked the bucket. So did Mikey 2. Mikey 3, Mikey 2, you're catching up. Mikey 3's catching up too. Skelly 2's got a really good lead. Mikey 3, stop out.
Lewis, keep your Mustang. I'll take a 1970 Chevy Chevelle.
Yeah, Skelly 2 ran away with this one.
Skelly 2 killing it.
Skelly 2's at 49. Mikey 3 slowly dropping, drifting in with a 26. Mikey 3, 31.
Skelly 2 again.
Oh, wood chip. Bangs, but no one's going to be able to score that many. Mikey 3 and Mikey 2, the best scores you ever got. Mikey 3, look at that. 41, Mikey 3. Oh, you just stopped out.
Lewis, my dad said he used to have one of those Chevys. I don't know which one it was. He said they'd take spark plugs, put them in the tailpipe, make them shoot flames.
Skelly, congratulations.
Skelly for the win.
Good game. With a 56.
Okay, guys, can we get GG's in chat for everyone who played, the winners? There's Skelly. Yeah, my dad said they used to all put spark plugs in the pipes, shooting flames. You can probably get arrested for that nowadays. You can't have fun no more. I mean, I think we could all see where shooting flames out the tailpipe is probably a bad thing, but.
Okay, what I'm going to do is...
Yeah, Lewis, I don't know how they set it up.
I'm running one more game. You want to know why?
Because you got a new toy and you want to play with it?
No, I want to check something. So we'll run one more game.
Another qualifier?
Another qualifier.
Damn, what's that going to be, like something. 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there'll be 6. So great. Tomorrow we have a day off. We don't run any. 1, 2, 3. You ready to go? You're up. You're all loaded.
I got it.
You look all loaded. Are you loaded?
I'm loaded.
Are you loaded? You loaded? You locked and loaded? Let's go. Burst. Bunch of grandparents coming out slowly. Tried to get a bunch of people into the stop out pit in the beginning, but I think
be cool if you could speed it up and slow it down as the game's going.
Mikey 2 in the lead with 30, your best score ever. Mikey 3 is going to find a way into the pit.
Get it, Mikey. Get it, Mikey.
Bangs just somehow found a way into the pit like 6 times in a row.
Go to him. My dad was a Chevy guy, Camaro SS69.
Bang, stopped out. Lewis took the lead.
A lot of nice Chevys back then. I think back then everybody wanted the Chevy for the cars and the Ford for the trucks.
3-way tie. Bangs, that 3-way tie is gone. Bangs 2. Bangs 2 is doing really well. Bangs 2 is hanging around though the stop out pit. Lewis caught up. Bangs 2 still looks like he's going to go in the stop out pit. Ms. K, Mikey 3 is going to go for some points. Mikey's going to go for some points. There's a potential for a close game over here.
What do we got? Damn, Lewis
was
75.
Mikey, 84 on Woody.
Woody 84.
Woody 2.
Bang 72. Michael 72.
Bunch of stop outs. Louis came and takes the lead again. Lewis, Woody 2.
Mikey tried to take it and everybody else jumped in too. See what happens when you group trade?
I like this settings. I increased the points for the take profit pit. Wood chip.
Oh, what the last second
Wood
again?
chip with 111 points. Very good. Nice to have wood chip win. Let's write it down. Wood chip.
That's
Good game,
twice
wood
Lewis.
chip.
Lewis was right there. Somebody took it at the last second.
Okay, we run 6 more. Let me just write down the settings. I like these settings. That was good.
Need like a preset to be able to save them.
5. Yeah, I gotta do that. Bounce 1.0. Yeah, 210, 210. 18.5. Wow, it's crazy how many settings there are.
Deal.
120, 15. 3,000. 0.6.
Yeah, I like the updates you did to the game.
22.
Good work there, guy.
Yeah, I like this. It's a fun game. Okay, that's it. That's good. Thanks for showing up. Hey, JC, are you on your way home? You want to go for lunch? I'm hungry. And also, if I go for lunch. Oh, you're with Megan. I mean, that's not a bad thing, but yes, I don't know which one. Yes, you want to go for lunch, or yes, you're with Megan. Or yes, you want to go for lunch, and yes, you're with Megan. It's okay, we can all go. I'll ask David also if he wants to go somewhere. We'll see what's going on. Yes, we can go for lunch. Yeah, maybe we'll go share a club somewhere. Good games. Yeah, that was fun, Woody. Wood chip.
Yeah, Skeletor, they used to have drag races where I live. Can't get away with stuff like that anymore, but everybody used to go out to the strip and drag race.
Oh, you're talking on the street racing.
No, this wasn't on the street.
We can go with me. I love you. You're such a sweetheart. What did you say, ICT?
Megan, good morning.
Did you say it was on the street or not on the street?
No, this wasn't on the street. It was
it's like
a strip,
a track.
like a race trip.
Oh, you're still waiting at the doctor. Yeah, that's okay. Omnius will probably keep me talking for a bit. We got stuff to talk about anyways. There we go. Okay, guys. I'm going to call it quits here.
Old times, yeah. Used to be able to get away with stuff like that. No more.
I will wait. Yes, I will wait. As long as Megan lets me eat something fun.
Oh, I heard they were cracking down your diet because you were pigging out yesterday during the game.
Omnius can come to lunch too.
All right, I'll be there.
3 days. Guys, I like quick goodbyes. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks to Taurus Arena for the sponsorship for this week's game. Thanks to Omnius for streaming with me. I'll be back on the mic tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. I might even start streaming at 8 o'clock. I don't even know. We're going to see. I think I'm working on my schedule here with the exercise and stuff, so we'll see. But I will be on the mic again with Omnius tomorrow morning at some point. And that's it. Hit the like on your way out. And if you're looking to pick up some prop firm accounts, it'd be great if you can support the channel. Our codes are down there in the description. And that's about it. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, talk about long goodbyes.
Hey, that was 12 seconds. That was 12 seconds.
Later, guys. Appreciate everyone. See everybody tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
You know I gotta mess with you.
Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts